All right, well, don't want this mess in the background. Just getting this new office set up. So we got a new computer. Basically, this is just going to be the unboxing. We're going to take a look at this thing and see what it is. So I picked up the OMEN 25L. This one is, I think the case is supposed to be white. Let's take a look here. So there's pretty much what we have. HyperX 16, blah, 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 1 terabyte, 512, Windows 11 home. So it's the OMEN by HP 25L Gaming Desktop GT15. So here's what we got on the outside. A little bit different tag right there. This is what the other side looks like. Grabbed this from Best Buy. Let's take a look, see what we got. I'll probably do a little bit of gaming, but I usually don't do that much gaming. My primary use is going to be for like video editing, 4K videos, stuff like that. So here's our cord. All right, top piece. Nice little keyboard. We've got a corded mouse, which I'll probably upgrade that stuff. And it's like they give you handles. Let's get this out of here. Little booklet, Windows 11, I don't know, some sticker, just some small pamphlets about what's there. That's it. My box is empty. All right. Not much in these boxes anymore. They're all pretty much nothing. So there we go. We have the power button on the top, 2 USBs, a headphone, and a microphone jack. Let's take out, check out the back. We have some more USBs, Ethernet, mic, speaker set, different outputs there. There's where our power supply is. Right there's the button to disassemble this sucker. I don't know. I think it's pretty darn cool. All right, let's get this thing set up. I'm going to be using an HDMI cord to a new 4K television, Samsung here. So, now just to figure out where to put the computer. All right, well, I wanted to get the keyboard stuff out of here. Both of these are wired units that are included. I mean, not a bad mouse. I plan to be upgrading this stuff anyway. Let's see. Now I remember when I bought some of my HP Elites back in the day, they actually came with a wireless mouse, a wireless keyboard, but you didn't quite get the hardware that you do now. So I gotta grab an HDMI cord, figure out where I'm setting this thing, and we'll power this thing up and see what it looks like. I'm not sure which this one is. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, so that's the processor right there. Look, that's what that is. Huh. Turbo mode. Looks like I need to get a new keyboard.